from the world's capital markets. Here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by CMS Prime.
Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Emily?
The dollar-yen pair rose 0.6% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1.9% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair rose 1.5% in the last session after gaining as much as 1.9% during the session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
China's economy is expected to grow by about 5% this year, the Deputy Director of the country's Central Financial and Economic Affairs Commission said. The world's second largest economy is expected to contribute close to 30% of global growth, Han Wenzhai told an economic conference. Oil prices climbed about 2% on Friday to settle at a 3-week high, on expectations that additional sanctions on Russia and Iran could tighten supplies, and that lower interest rates in Europe and the US could boost fuel demand. Gold prices fell on Friday after bullion hit a more than 5-week high in the previous session, and as the US dollar gained. But prices were on track for a weekly rise on expectations of a Federal Reserve rate cut next week.
Thank you. And now moving on to our chief analyst pick of today's main economic events.
Economic activity is expected to pick up this week, with the calendar featuring a mix of high, medium and low impact data releases. Traders should stay informed as these reports could present both opportunities and risks. With these significant events approaching, be sure to keep an eye on market sentiment. Preparing for potential volatility can ensure you're ready to act as needed.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.